In front of me is Redmi 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Passwords and Security. Then click on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. After that, select Start at the bottom, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then wait 5 seconds and hit Next in Attention pop-up. So when I do that and add my face, I can rename it. To save it, tap on Done at the bottom, then adjust all of those options however you wish to, and finally tap on Home button. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. So all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!